Step one, you say we need to form a fleet. FC says undock on the gate, we'll meet. Red smacking local, 2 jumps out. You get them bubbled in TS, you shout. It's clear that their FC wants to fight. When they're in range, you try to kite. Half your fleet is still 1 jump away, and you begin to wonder why you stayed. Where did I go wrong? I lost a ship somewhere alone near planet 6, and I could have stayed out and roamed all night had I known how to stay alive. Let 'em know that you're the best, 'cause after all you are not test. Try and slip past their defense, get a new ship and some common sense. Bring the right type of missiles, the last were wrong, and hope it won't take you all too long. And pray the bridge is still up, and you pray the bridge is still up now. Where did I go wrong? I lost the ship somewhere alone near planet 6, and I could have stayed out and roamed all night had I known how to stay alive. You bump the Titan out of the pause, but make the jump just like a boss. And once you loaded grid again, they don't show up on D-scan. The FC warps you to a gate, but you still weren't aligned. Another fail, and due to your alignment change, you get pointed again by the enemy gang. Where did I go wrong? I lost a ship somewhere alone near planet 6, and I could have stayed out and roamed all night had I known how to stay alive. Where did I go wrong? I lost a ship somewhere alone near planet 6, and I could have stayed out and roamed all night had I known how to stay alive. How to stay alive. How to stay alive. Where did I go wrong? I lost a ship somewhere alone near planet 6, and I could have stayed out and roamed all night